In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. We'll move from a simple Google search to the Binance Spot page, open the XRP USDT trading pair, and finish by selecting Buy XRP. Along the way, I'll explain what you're seeing so you can navigate with confidence, even if you're new to the platform. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. Type Binance into the search bar and press Enter. In the results, choose the official Binance website. Check that the URL shows binance.com and that the connection is secure. Avoid ads or lookalike domains. If you're new, bookmarking the correct homepage can save time later. Once you're on the Binance homepage, look toward the top navigation and find Trade. Hover your cursor or tap to reveal the available interfaces. This menu leads to different trading layouts designed for various experience levels. We're heading to the standard trading screen that most people use. From that menu, select Spot. Spot is the straightforward market where you exchange one asset for another at current prices, unlike margin or derivatives. Choosing Spot keeps things simple and shows you real-time charts, the order book, and the buy and sell panels for each trading pair. Inside the Spot interface, locate the market search area and look up XRP USDT. USDT is a stablecoin that tracks the US dollar, so this pair lets you price XRP in dollars. Click the XRP USDT pair to load its chart, order book, and order panel. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct pair. You'll see XRP and USDT tickers near the top, along with live price data and volume. Now, go to the buy side of the order panel and click Buy XRP. That button places purchases from your spot balance. Depending on your view, you may see order types like Market or Limit. Market fills at the best available price. Limit lets you set a price and wait. You'll see fees and amounts before any confirmation. If you lack USDT, you must deposit or convert first, but in this walkthrough, we're simply navigating to and selecting Buy XRP. And that's the full path. Search for Binance with Google, open the official site, choose Trade, pick Spot, select the XRP USDT pair, and click Buy XRP. Keep best practices in mind. Verify the URL each time you sign in, enable security on your account, and review the pair and order type before proceeding. With these steps, you can reach the right screen and initiate a spot purchase in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.